Hello, good morning and welcome to a Kooky corner of YouTube. It's that time of the month again. It's the Scrawlr box month. So yeah, we've got a beautiful Scrawlr box. And I'm going to see if I can get this off in one. If you didn't know, Scrawlr box is a monthly subscription box. And you get one every month. And inside will be some goodies that you might know about, or some new ones that you've never tried before. It's a mystery until you actually get inside it. And so I'm excited, the snakes are excited, the owl's excited. Let's see what's inside. This is the best bit. Anticipation. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these bits out and put my box over there. Okay, so we've got our wrapped bag of goodies. Always come wrapped in tissue paper. Sometimes they try and escape from the tissue paper, but it seems to be intact. There's something kind of coming out of that end, but we're just going to ignore that for a moment and have a look. Okay, so we've got the Scrawlr zine. I'm going to put that to one side because that will give us spoilers. Ooh, oh, that is so pretty. I love that. I love moths anyway, so this is like ideal. Looks like some kind of watercolour. Maybe. Okay, let's have a look. So it's Candace Fincher. Some details on her and her social media at the bottom there. Hope the camera's picking that up. So yeah, really interesting. I'm going to read that later about her. I like this, but she calls her two little sons beetles. And remember the beetles that I had painted. Oh, it was somebody who was talking to about it. Oh, interesting. Okay, find out about that later. We have some lovely Frisk. Oh, this is giving me vibes. Watercolour paper. Oh, that's nice and thick as well. It's got a little bit of texture to it, but not too much. Cold press. So it is cold press, but it's not like it's like really super texture, so that'd still be good for drawing them. Okay, let's have a look at the goodies. And oh, what have we got? Take all that off there, get rid of the rattly paper. Ooh, is that a chocolate lime? It looks like a chocolate lime. Yes, one of my favourites. That's staying with me. No one's getting that apart from me. And oh, this is a mysterious tin. Ooh, what's in the tin? What's in the tin? Wait a minute, I've got a sticker. We have a sticker which matches in with the artwork. So I always try and find the piece it's come from. Where's my artwork gone? Here it is. See if I can match up. Oh yeah, it's kind of a smaller version of the head and that wing there. Love it. Okay, got a bit of, we've got a brush. Oh, it's lost its, hate putting these back on because I invariably damage the tips. Luckily, didn't do it that time. So we've got a Pro Art Polar in a 4 size. It's white nylon. That looks interesting. Trying to claw my way into the tin. I'm so excited. What is in here? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I've got some of these. Not many of them, but ooh, the Magnus Albrecht Dürer pencils. Nice. And we've got a selection of colours. It looks like one of them's chipped just slightly. Yeah, the red one's chipped slightly. That's not a problem. It's just, you're going to need a chunky pencil sharpener for these, and luckily I have one. Okay. So we have got light yellow glaze, we've got cadmium orange, we've got ultramarine, light ultramarine, dark sailor green, and what's that one? Warm grey. Oh, an interesting set of colours there. I like them. Beautiful. Pop all those back in there. I do like Faber-Castell pencils, and I love the Albrecht Dürer watercolour pencils. I do believe this one. Yes, I've got a deep scarlet red there. I'm sure I've got another one. In fact, I've got two more. Yeah, I've got a white and an emerald green. What was that one? That was a phthalo green, so it's a different green. So they're all different from the ones that I've got, which is excellent. Always nice to get stuff you haven't already got. Right, so looks like we've got some Frisk masking fluid. That's good for watercolours if you want to mask off areas that you don't want to be painted. So if you want to leave the paper white in a particular area, or you've got a colour down and you want to leave it that colour and paint over it, this is your guy. So that's interesting. I've never tried the Frisk one. And the challenge is Metamorphosis. This month it's time for a change. Inspired by our featured artist's love of all things creepy and crawly, we encourage you to experiment with the versatility this transformative medium has to offer. Sketch, hatch, dot, colour, layer, blend or paint. Just add water to watch your creations transform before your eyes. I am feeling this kit. I am. Let's have a look at the price points of these. So the watercolour pencils times 5, and they are £2.95 each. The masking fluid, £11.50. Wow. So we've already got above and beyond there. The round brush, the Pro Art round brush is £3.15. And the watercolour paper is £5.49. So yeah, bargain. Excellent. Okay, so now I've had a look at these. I've got my sweetie for later. And we've had a little look at the paper. I'm quite happy with that. That's going to work well with the pencils, I do believe, because it's not too rough. So it's going to be good. Okay. Let's open that so you can see the pencils. I love a good pencil. Okay, so the Scrawlr zine. It says hashtag 092. So yeah, texture paper. We have got the pencils, a precision tip. Oh, it's got a precision tip applicator with it. Excellent. It is a chocolate lime. Yes. Artist print and the sticker on the brush. Let's not forget the brush. So we've got sit down and talk with the artist, the featured artist, who's Candace Fincher. Her work looks astounding and astoundingly lovely. So I'm going to go and have a look at this later. Have a look at her social media. Scrawlr tips. How to use the masking fluid, blending, wet on wet, drawing and sketching. That's the plus side of watercolour pencils. You can get some different techniques that you can't just get with a watercolour. So, you know, I'm interested in trying these. We've got some more artist advice here. Masking fluid, how to use it, different techniques with that. There's a QR code to see this technique in action, so that's handy. Ooh, Scrawlr gallery. Who have we got in here? Let's see. See if I can see any names that I know. Ooh, that's so cool. That was a Kerry Lemon one. I remember this one, yes. How cool. I don't recognise the names. I'm sure there might be some people in here that I actually know, but I can't recognise any of the names. I love that one. Love the birds, they're so cool. Oh, and him, he's pretty cool as well. Those are my two favourites, I think, out of the gallery. Ooh, that's really clever as well. I like that one. So then we've got our top three artists. We've got Cat Pass and Nati Demeter and Vitalia Laccavincini. Oh, I probably butchered that completely, but brilliant, lovely work. I'm really feeling these here. These are my kind of vibes, definitely. Superb. So we get to check out some new artists as well, which is always good. And then we have got To Die For. Talking about colour and how colour's created from some bugs, crushed up bugs. Interesting. Very interesting. So this is going to be a good read for later. And there is a QR code to get to the live, which is going to be on the 25th of May, where you discuss everything that is in this box. It's quite a nice little touch and a good place to go and find out different things that other people have been trying to do. Well, I've got my work cut out for this month, so missed last month obviously because I just didn't have the time to work on it at all. Did have a little go, but I didn't really do anything much with it. So this is my time to get back in. I hope your Scrawlr box arrives pretty soon if you're waiting for one. And if you are waiting for one and it's not arrived yet, I hope you've not been watching this video because you've kind of got all the spoilers. I'll put a little spoiler alert at the beginning of this, so don't worry if you haven't, or if you've got yours as well, and we're all in the same boat now. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed having a look inside this Scrawlr box. And if you subscribe and click the bell, you'll get notifications whenever I load up a video. Have a great day. Bye for now.